In the last session, we have seen how to bring MySQL from Docker Hub and run it into your container. Okay, let's discuss something more about Docker container and MySQL. All right, so right now, this is my command prompt, and I just say Docker images. So you can see there is only one image, that is MySQL, which we have pulled in the last session. Okay, now again we'll discuss more about the container, and images. So what we'll do now, see, this was to make the container and to run it. All right, so right now I said Docker ps. Okay, you can see there is no container running. Okay, now I'm saying Docker run hyphen name s1 is the name of the container, hyphen e, and your password for the root that you are going to, and we are using image 1. Okay, now again I say Docker ps. So you can see here, your image is MySQL and one of the container which is running on port number 330 is there. Again, I say s2. All right, now please observe here. Okay, how many container are there? 2 container. First container is s1 and the second container is s2. It means image is 1. Okay, let's see here. So if you see there is one image, but how many containers are there? Containers are 2. Okay, now you can visualize this, what is happening. Okay, this is one container, this is another container. All right, and this container in our example we have given it s2, s1, and this container, over here it is s2, and image is 1. Okay, so we are having an image, that is MySQL. All right, and from that image we have made 2 containers. So I hope that is very much clear. From one image you can make n number of containers. All right, and last time we have seen how to run MySQL by using the container. Okay, now let's discuss some basic command about these things. All right, so first of all we'll learn how to inspect about your. So I just go here and I say cls docker inspect, and I say s1. Now when I say docker s1, so it will give me every information about the container, how to run it, etc. Fine. So this is, I type this docker inspect. Now the second is, now if I see this docker ps, 2 containers are running, correct? Now suppose you want to stop a container, so what command you will be writing? You will be writing the command, all right, docker stop and the container name. So now there are 2 containers, stop and s1. So stop is the command, s1 is the name of the container. You can just observe it. Docker ps. Can you see now here 2 containers are there, s1 and s2, but right now when I say docker stop s1, you are not able to see s1 container now because it has been stopped. But later on, suppose you want to restart the same container, you can say docker restart and the name of the container. Again I say docker ps. Can you see here? S1 is started, S1 is started. See here, S1 was there, then I say docker stop, it is stopped, then I say docker restart, it is started. Correct? Now, I hope that is very much clear. I'll share you this all files so that you can practice properly. Now you want to remove a container. You want to remove a container. So how to remove a container? Just say docker remove and the container name. Now see, when I'm trying to say docker remove s1, cannot remove container is running. So it means if suppose you want to remove a particular container first you have to stop the container. Okay, that is the reason it is displaying. Now again I'll come here. I said docker stop s1. Okay, docker, if you can see here, s1 is now not active. Now I can say docker remove. Okay, so s1 done. Now you should be able to see. Now very much clear. So before removing any container, first you have to stop the container. Running container cannot be removed. Alright, I think very much clear. Now the second is how to remove a particular image. So now I have this image right now, docker images. Okay, see this. Now I said docker RMI, sorry, RMI and MySQL. Okay, so MySQL image will be removed from there. Okay, unable to remove repository references because the container is still running. So what I'll do, okay, to make you explain, I'll again bring one image. Okay, hello world. Okay, it will take few seconds. It will pull the image from there. Okay, 1 second. I'll just check my net. All right. I hope understanding very well. Okay. Just give me one moment. I'll just cross check this. All right. Okay. Now I say this will take few seconds. Oh, the internet was not working actually. So sorry for that. Alright, now it is going to Docker Hub and trying to pull the image hello world. So one thing is very much clear to you. Okay, you can remove an image provided there should not be any container attached to it. Now I say Docker images. Okay, hello world is there. So now I'm not running any container through the image hello world. So I'll say Docker and remove RMI, remove image, and then I say hello world. Okay, now we'll say images. Okay, you can see. Fine, hello world image was there. When I say docker RMI hello world, now you can see, okay, image is not there. I hope very much clear. So whenever you are going to remove a container, the container should be stopped. Second thing, if you want to remove a particular image should not be attached to any running container. I hope that is very much clear. I will share this file with you, okay, so that you can practice as much as you want. Thank you for watching it. Please subscribe, okay, and like this and share with a friend. Okay, this will motivate me to make more and more beautiful videos. Thank you for watching.